In the name of Allah, today I want to show you in this video how to Word to JPG Converter online. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have a word and you want to Word to JPG Converter online. So to Word to JPG Converter, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us Word document to JPG Converter online. So click select file and then select the JPG which you want and click open. And here select the JPG format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait Word to JPG Converter online. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the JPG file. This is how to Word to JPG Converter online. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.